welcome to Erica's Little Creation. Today I'm going to do a DIY on this. I'm going to have rocks, plants, beads, and shells. Diamond wrap. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to start here. I believe I want to start with three diamond wraps going across, or should I go two? Let's see. I think I'm gonna start with three. Alright, so I already started cutting this already, so let me go ahead and finish cutting it. In one of my videos, I already did the diamond wrap. Trying to scoop back some wraps here in case I need some more. I have my overstock right there. So let's see here. This is not gonna be enough right here. If you hear some extra noise, I have my grandkids in here. So let's see here. And then also you're gonna need a hot gun to do the DIY. So I'm gonna start here in the corner and work my way around. So let's see here. I always try to get the corner first and just have this away because it's always kind of hard to connect it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing this up through here. Stay closer to the trim at the top. This is the 2. I didn't do the 3. But there's other things I want to put on here, so I'll just stick to the 2. It was gonna be 3. Sorry. Let's see here. Get it off of that little crease. If you get some glue in your hand, just rub it off and just come off. The glue is hot, so be careful. Right. I'm staying close to the trim as possible. If you think you're not gonna have enough, just go ahead and just rub it off like that. How it looks so far with the 2. And that's just the glue coming off. And then on here, I'm just gonna take this extra one out because this has got 3. I guess I'm getting old. You start seeing, look over your glasses at times. So that's what I am doing here. I'm new to YouTube far as doing DIYs. So if you have any ideas of what I should do next, let me know. Comment below. Thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I am going to be dropping DIYs every day. At least I'm going to try. Just giving you some home ideas to do stuff around the house, wedding ideas for like the centerpiece to use. And this glue, it glues real fast, so you gotta like try to hurry up, put it on there. As I said, the glue is hot, so be careful. Okay. See how that went around that trim so far? It looks pretty, huh? Okay, so let me continue going with what I have here. Trying to glue closer to the trim as possible. Okay. It just have these little curves and stuff in here. To get glue, just take it off. And just close to the tip, the edge. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to open up some more wrap. Okay. All right. So we do have one side so far looking pretty good, right? So I'm almost there. Just need to get some more trim. Over stuff that I have left like this, I'm gonna put to the side and just open me up another package. There you go. Let me just take this off. And this is the diamond wrap that I got from Dollar Tree. Stuck a hole in here so it can fit in here, so I can always restock it. So I'm just gonna leave that like that until I finish with this and put it back on there. They have this thin little layer film to hold this wrap in. So I'm just gonna do a little measurement here of what I need to cut off. Much off. Whatever I have extra, I just cut it off. To the side. So remember, I have 2 wraps, 2 rows of the wrap, and this comes in a roll of 5. Being quarantine is something else, and everybody can do like home project clean. I've been doing like a lot of spring cleaning, so that's what I've been working on.